Hi, I'm Allison Pusey with the Sklar team. What a better way to start off the new year than to show you this gorgeous estate. This gorgeous estate was just listed by Rose and Dean Sklar. Our first office meeting of the year is about to start. Come on inside. So today's meeting is hosted by the Sklar team. Rose and Dean wanted to highlight their brand new listing on Hackney in Windmill Ranch. Windmill Ranch is the most exclusive neighborhood in Weston. We do these meetings monthly just so we can learn the new inventory in Weston and the surrounding areas.
It's great to have our office meetings here at our listings so that the agents in our office can learn the inventory. It's the best way to sell a property.
We're fortunate in our office meetings to have people like Nancy Corey, our Regional Vice President, and Terry Bersach, our General Manager, really tell us a little bit about their specialties and what's going on in the market, and they can go over everything with us, which is very valuable information for us to bring to our clients, buyers and sellers. Rose is not only here hosting our meeting, but she's also showing a client a property right now. We just put it on the market yesterday and we've had tons of showings, and Rose is even showing it right now as we're setting up. We're putting the tables and chairs around. It's not only this house, but the whole market seems to be really unusually active this year.
The new year is starting out like gangbusters. I cannot believe the amount of activity that I have here in a majority of my listings. In fact, this property alone has already received an offer and it's been on the market for 1 day.
I'm Allison Pusey with the Sklar team. We look forward to working with you in 2018. Happy New Year.